Well, first things first, I want to say I'm an aspiring programmer, and also I have been attending college trying to learn programming, and I've been out and trying to get transferred to another college. And I'm basically taking a break, but I decided I'm going to review from the start of chapter 2. And also the fact that I'm changing. Uh, I switched from Eclipse to Apache NetBeans because I don't know. I just got sick of the fact that they kept changing things. Like, why do you keep changing Eclipse so much? Every time I have to update the thing, it becomes harder and harder to use. That's not how a program should work. Like, I'm tempted at this point to switch to Dev C++, the most simple of simple for programmers, because it doesn't try to get in the way of you programming. Because, even Apache NetBeans has a few of its problems, like trying to open and run a certain file, a foreign file. Like, I don't have this problem with Dev C++ at all. I don't. But right now I'm just using Apache NetBeans because it's convenient. Yeah, it took me forever to get this installed properly as well. I had to go through several hurdles in several tutorials on how to install this darn thing. I'm not someone that wants to actually do a tutorial for something like this because it's just too complicated. And it's not that I'm lazy, it's just I don't want to bother because 9 times out of 10 it's not going to work for someone else. Because I guess my problems are unique. And that's my problem. Yeah, I'm reviewing right now. I technically want to use this for everything, programs with helping me with my calculus and physics, and that's what I'm going to do. But for now, I am just reviewing some of the simpler programs from chapter 2, even though I've gone all the way to chapter 16, but it's not like I can use any of the programs from chapter 16 unless I use Dev C++. And besides, I've forgotten most of the things that I learned. And even though I don't really need to start with chapter 2, I think it's a good thing to help. But yeah, there's my rant done. I am Mr. Manham, and let's go ahead and read what we're doing. Here's the book that I'm using. C++ Programming from Problem Analysis to Program Design by D.S. Malik, 7th edition. I swear that there are better C++ books out there, but this is okay. So consider the following program segment. Includes statement S, using namespace statement, int main, blah blah blah. Write a C++ statement that includes the header file IOStream. Write a C++ statement that allows you to use sign, count, and endl without the prefix std : I don't think they're ever going to change that. Write C++ statements that declare the following variables: num1, num2, num3, and average of type int. Write C++ statement that stores 125 into num1, 28 in num2, and minus 25 into num3, and write a C++ statement that stores the average of num1, num2, and num3 into average. Write C++ statement that outputs the value of num1, num2, num3, and average. Compile and run your program. Okay. So, let's change this to IOStream. Does it ask for input? No? So I'm going to put IOStream. See if I can remember this properly. So the first things first are asking that we declare the following variables. Average of type int. So int num1, num2, num3. I'm probably going to do every single problem. not every single problem actually. Some of these are just not worth doing because they're too simple. But some people do that sort of thing. So I've declared those variables. Write C++ statement that stores. Oh, I should have just stored it first. Alright. It stores 1, 2, 5. Into num1 equals 28 into num3 equals minus 25. Alright. See, normally books tell you to do this all separately. I'm a little too lazy for that, and sometimes programs get so long that I don't want there to be so many lines, because there really shouldn't be so many lines. So write a C++ statement that stores the average of num1, num2, and num3 into the average, and write a C++ statement that outputs the value of num1, num2. Compile and run your program. I just realized that I didn't put in sign. It's fine. It's not like I actually need it. It's not asking me to count anything. So I guess I should declare certain variables. Double AVE and AVE equals num1 num2 num3 over 3. I forgot. Never forget your semicolon, because that's important. So let's see, and that's the average, and then just output it. First things first, I'm gonna do this. And /n, because that makes you do stuff. It just returns it to this, or moves it to the next line. So that'll be 2 equals, that's a minus, equals wait. And now we output the average. let's see. That should do it. So let's compile. It's building. Takes a while to build such a simple program for some reason. But yeah, so num1 is 125, num2 is 228, and num3 is minus 25. The average is 42. So that was simple. That was very simple. I didn't really need to do anything else. Now we should go ahead, let's see, look at problem number 4. Repeat exercise 3 by declaring num1, num2, num3 an average of type double. Store 75.35 into num1 minus 35.56 into num2 and 15.76 into num3. Well, that's going to be easy. Let's go ahead and change this to double. And now, let's see, go ahead and just want to make sure I'm not doing anything wrong. Okay, looks like I'm doing it right. Okay. Now let's put, I don't know why I did that. Jeez, I'm going to end up destroying my paper because I'm typing over my book here. It's kind of messy, this book. I done a lot of study at home. Now everything's a mess. Yeah, I should probably move this, but so enter I went too far. There. Enter num1 sign num1 I can't remember if I'm allowed to do that, but who cares? Let's just copy this. Num2 and num3 so let's see. Now we're redeclaring this, and let's the average of num1 num2 and num3 is I'm going to ruin my book at this rate. AVE. So let's go ahead and build again. Yeah, that figures. Yeah, I knew that would be a problem. Rookie mistake. It's been a while. Yay! That should do it. What did I get wrong this time? I don't appear to be doing anything wrong. So I'm using IOStream num2, num3. What could I possibly be doing wrong? No match for operator. Why is that? And double. Never gave me this problem before. Oh, that's because I'm... Darn it. Chapter 16, my ass. It actually has been 2 months since I touched this, so... Actually, it was 3 months. Sorry. My brain is a puddle of mud. Build successful! Yay, I did it! So now what are we doing? Oh, right. So it said to enter num1 as 75.35. Enter num2 as, let's see, 28. No, wait. Minus 35.56. And 15.76. 0.76. And the average is 18.5167. Okay. Well, we got that one done. How long have I been recording? Oh, wow. 19 minutes already? Huh. Okay, I guess we'll end it here. I'm going to do the next 2 problems in the next video. Wow. That's a lot of time. How long have I been ranting about, these applications meant to help me program? I don't know, but yeah. This was Mr. Man Ham. I am a lover of ham, and I'm going to end this video. Please, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe for more, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen, and good day.